Hello everyone, welcome to Transformational Thursdays. Here I am, Dr. Reshma, the catalyst, as I love calling myself. And today we are going to talk about an interesting subject called visualization. Let us know what this technique is all about and how we can use it for our benefit. They say what we focus our mind on, we tend to create in our lives. And therefore, we experience it. Do you all believe with that statement? Okay, I know, some may and some may not. But here it is. When we are using visualization and picturing something in our mind, we actually activate the neural pathways to the brain as we are actually experiencing whatever it is that we are visualizing. This means each time you are seeing yourself living out that experience, that exciting moment of your future, you're seeing yourself, you're actually achieving the goal, you're programming your mind. You're programming, in particular, your subconscious mind to actually believe that you can do what you're visualizing and will later live out these moments in the future. Isn't that exciting? I'm sure it is. For athletes, visualization process is also called mental rehearsal, and this is being practiced since long. I, as a dancer, would also use mental rehearsal as a technique to practice and see the sequences and see myself there on the stage achieving what I'm supposed to achieve. So all you have to do to start the visualization process is setting aside a particular time in a day. It can be just 10 minutes. And the best time of the day is when you wake up. When you wake up, you're fresh and you can visualize what you want to achieve. It can also be after your meditation or your regular exercises or prayers, or it can be before you go to bed. That can be a very good time when you can use visualization technique. Now you'll say, what are the benefits of it? You've heard so much, but what actually are the benefits? Now the benefits are awesome. It activates your creative subconscious mind, and that generates creative ideas to achieve your goals. Secondly, it programs your brains to perceive and be able to find resources you will need to achieve those goals. Third, it activates the law of attraction. Yes, the law of attraction. We attract things we want in our lives when we focus on them, when we keep thinking of them, whether they are people, resources, or anything else. But you will be able to achieve your goals through attracting, because things will just happen to support. The universe will support you to achieve your goal. It also builds internal motivation. We all need motivation, and this will build our internal motivation to achieve our goals. Yes, this is what will happen. These are the benefits. Aren't they awesome? Now what do you need to do? How you can go about visualizing? You can use goal pictures. If your goal is to be a CEO of a company, identify a goal picture and put it somewhere where you will see it every day. You won't miss a day without seeing it. Just paste it somewhere there. Create a visual picture in your mind. Just sit there and think about it as if you're watching a movie. See yourself. It can be a picture, it can also be something that's moving, like a movie. Use index cards to visualize. You can keep them wherever you want. It's in your purse, your bag, anywhere. Create a vision board. A vision board is very helpful, and easily you can make a vision board for yourself in apps like Canva. It's very easily it can be done. So do that. Visualization is incredibly powerful, and please practice it daily. It will help you in all aspects of life, from accomplishing your goals to being more productive, growing positively, leaving behind negative beliefs, reducing stress, everything, and much, much more. So please do practice visualization as a technique to achieve your goals. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to show a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the button so that you are notified whenever we do a video. Yeah? So till then, bye, take care, stay safe.